Okay, so I am laying down, and today is Sunday, the 7th of December. And I have some work to do tonight. I think I'm going to do it all tonight, but I'm probably going to get up like around 7 or 8 and actually start cleaning up the room and getting ready to go and stuff and clock out, sign out and stuff for tonight. And so I thought I'd document today like I documented yesterday because it was fun. I just got back from the store with Farrah Rushonifer, and we went to the store and just kind of looked around a little bit. She wanted a CD, but she couldn't find one she wanted. So we did that, and I'm back to watching Bridget Jones, and I'm watching it with this little quiz that like shows up. So that's kind of hard to watch it like that when you're asleep because you wake up and you expect to see a movie, and you don't see a movie, you just see a question, and you have to answer the question. Then the movie starts and you fall back to sleep. Interesting. Anyway, so, um, okay, my major things for tonight. One is my theater history test. Ooh, I hope some more theater history people are there so I can help, so we can all study for our theater history test together. That would be so awesome. I would love that. Anyway, I'm gonna study for my theater history test, so I'm probably gonna get up around 6. By 6 o'clock, I'm gonna be out of this bed, I think. And I also am gonna write some papers because I have some papers due on Tuesday, and I'm gonna practice my monologue for Tuesday, which would be all kinds of fun. Yay! Because I really need to do well in that class. I need to really do well in all my classes because I just don't know what I'm going to do in my Principles of Advertising class. I have tried so hard, but I don't know if I'll get anything. So, we'll see. Anyway, talk to you later. Bye.